welcome to our in-depth review of Sugar Defender, the #1 rated blood sugar formula for 2024. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about this powerful supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels and boost your energy. Before we dive in, make sure to purchase Sugar Defender only from the official website linked in the description to ensure you receive the genuine product. And stay tuned until the end of the video to learn about the additional bonuses you can receive with your purchase. Now, let's delve into the unique blend of 8 carefully selected ingredients that make Sugar Defender so effective. First, we have Eleuthero, known for its ability to reduce stress and enhance physical endurance. Next, Coleus, which helps regulate metabolism and supports heart health. Maca root is another powerful ingredient that boosts energy and improves mood. African mango aids in weight loss and supports healthy cholesterol levels. Guarana provides a natural energy boost and enhances mental clarity. Gymnema is renowned for its ability to reduce sugar cravings and support healthy blood glucose levels. Ginseng enhances overall well-being and immune function. Finally, Chromium plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. We will discuss how these natural components work synergistically to increase energy, reduce fatigue, burn fat, and support healthy blood glucose levels. Sugar Defender offers 3 purchase options to suit your needs: the 30-day supply, the 90-day supply, and the best value 180-day supply. Let's break down the savings and benefits of each package. The 30-day supply is perfect for those who want to try Sugar Defender for the first time. The 90-day supply offers more savings and is ideal for those committed to a longer regimen. The 180-day supply provides the best value, with the highest savings and additional bonuses with valuable information to further support your health journey. Common questions. Many of you might be wondering, is Sugar Defender right for me? And what kind of results can I expect? Sugar Defender is formulated for anyone looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, increase energy, and support overall health. Whether you're pre-diabetic, managing diabetes, or simply want to take proactive steps for your health, Sugar Defender can be a valuable addition to your routine. Thousands of satisfied customers and 5-star rating based on over 2,000 reviews testify to its effectiveness. We'll share some real-life testimonials and success stories from people who have experienced positive results with Sugar Defender. These stories highlight the transformative impact this supplement can have on your health. Let's talk about the 60-day money-back guarantee. Sugar Defender offers a risk-free trial, allowing you to try the product and see the results for yourself. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return it within 60 days for a full refund. This guarantee shows the confidence the creators have in their product and ensures that you can make your purchase with peace of mind. Thank you for watching until the end. Let's discuss the additional bonuses you receive with your purchase. When you choose the 3-bottle or 6-bottle packages, you'll get free ebooks, Ultimate Tea Remedies, and Learn How to Manage Type 2 Diabetes. Ultimate Tea Remedies provides a collection of powerful herbal tea recipes designed to boost your health. Learn How to Manage Type 2 Diabetes offers practical tips and strategies for managing diabetes effectively. These bonuses are valuable resources that complement your use of Sugar Defender and enhance your overall health journey. Thank you for watching. Make sure to purchase Sugar Defender from the official website linked in the description to take advantage of these incredible offers. Stay healthy and take control of your blood sugar levels